7 train, there is no service between 34th Street and Vernon Boulevard, and that's because the train with the mechanical problems in Times Square. Now forecast to the CBS Weather Center.
I had practice because I was coaching those kids. I didn't know what was the wrong with you were here. Like, I go around so you can get a better thing. So those are the real planes over there. See the KC-10s?
Oh!
So those are the planes that can fly around the world non-stop.
Like with the gas and stuff.
Yeah, those are the ones that do refueling.
In midair.
Yeah, I go this way so you can get close to that. I used to work out of this building right here, 1738. That's where the cops used to be, but it has moved. That's the building right there. But they're building a new thing. You can see the planes right there.
Right here.
Come and do their jobs, and then like a couple of times a month, and then they go back to the regular civilian jobs.
Okay.
They don't do it year round. They just do it for a couple of weeks out of the year. So this is a reserve building. So a lot of these people just have like regular jobs on the outside and just do this.
So what's this over here?
I have no idea. Carl, this is new. Tell me what it is right there.
Okay. Whoa!
What happened?
A bug, yeah.
Are you just together? Okay.
They have it on there.
It's a fighter jet, right? Something like that.
Yeah, those are the ones with shoe bombs and stuff.
Oh, Maurice. Showcase or something?
Yeah, that's a display, static display.
Display static, yeah.
And they go to Child Hall. You see how the Marine side, they got their sleeves folded inside out? That's how you can tell the Marines or the Navy, that's how they do their sleeves. And look like they're gonna build more stuff over there. Yeah, those are Marines. It doesn't, they don't lock. They're very light. I don't know if you want to go out and fool around with them.
No, yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Oh!
They know me.
Look at this shit, boy. Oh my God.
So this, I come and open up that door, you'll see the difference. It's real nice and light.
I can go in it, right?
Yeah. So like that is.
Oh, for real?
So the problem is, like during the golf wars and stuff, people can just open up the door from the outside, throw a grenade, and kill everyone inside. Yeah. So to do the upcomers, it has a combat lock. Forget it, open it up. You should notice the difference. This is an upcomer.
Can't open it?
Push down and pull. Heavier, isn't it?
Yeah, for real.
And it doesn't have it in here. But what happened is that the design what is called a combat lock. So you can't open it up. It's just a lever and it goes like this, so it locks in place. So someone trying to open it from the outside, they can't do it. Let me set the evidence over here real quick.
What's this up top?
That's a turret, so you have a gun in there, and then it rotates.
I was thinking, okay, yeah, for real.
So what's going to happen is the person in this vehicle, if you're in the lead vehicle, you're going to have to cover the front. Then the next person is going to have to cover this. They pick a side. If they cover this side, then the person behind them cover the opposite side, so on and so forth. And then the person in the back, they're going to have to cover the rear.
Yeah.
So you're going to have one covering the front, and then you're going to stagger one facing this way, one facing that way, all the way down. At least if this has a combat lock. Yep. All right. Let me come through. So these are the combat locks. See right here?
Yeah.
So what happens is when you go, let's say keep it open, and this is to lock it. So if you try to pull it from the outside, you can't get in.
Okay.
So So that's it. We designed a combat lock so no one can just get in there.
Ooh. This one big.
You close it.
Oh, this
Heavy, because you can go out. I'm gonna show you how to turn these suckers on. So you don't need a key. So we used to play a trick with the students. Tell them we'll get a Humvee key. This is a Humvee. You don't need a key. So get it. See stop engine. Turn it to run.
You sure?
Yeah, turn it.
All right, cool.
Yeah, look, see how the light comes on? It says wait. Just wait. Once that goes off, turn it to your right. And then say turn it on. Now turn it back to your left. And then say turn it off. So when we tell them go get a Humvee key, you know, we're messing with them.
Yeah.
They just go in there and then they laugh at them. Because, you know, you don't need a key.
Yeah.
So this is how you start it. And these like the lights. You have like your dim, the regular lights and so forth. And you have the BO lights, like when you drive and you have your goggles on because you don't want the enemy to see you. The lights is gonna be weird. The goggles and the light works together is like infrared.
Okay.
And then you have your regular gear shift and everything.
Oh, so it's automatic.
Yeah, it's automatic.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't have anything here that's just stick shift. These are the LMTVs. Those replace like we used to call them deuces. And those were stick shifts.
Oh, okay.
And those vehicles down there, some of them are stick, some of them are not. But I don't have to use for those. Otherwise, I kind of had to use
Yeah. It's all right. Oh.
So you have, like I said, a regular Hummer and the up Hummer. That's my friend.
Alright, it's not open. Nah, it's not opening. Cool.
So this is called a rollover room. What happens, this whole thing rolls over.
Like a car crash or something?
Yeah, because we want to show them, and we have them upside down and everything. So we always tell them, listen, if we stop it upside down, the person that's in the top, because you have people seated here, people seated here. If we roll it upside down, these people are going to be on the top, these people are on the bottom. You can't have these people on loose the seatbelt because if they do, they're going to fall on the piece. So we said, let these people here on the bottom get out first, then undo yours, but they don't do that sometimes.
Yeah.
And then they fall on these individuals, and that's how we get injuries. So yeah, we teach them how to roll it in case they get in an accident. I don't know if they have a key in here. This is an ATV, this is why I drive sometimes.
You?
Yeah, oh, they don't have the key. You just put the key in, and the way you shift is right here. Can you see the sign?
I'm out.
I got designer from head to my toe. I'm on designer, my bitch on the coat. I got Da Vinci all over my coat. I'm on the X and I jump.